Hello friends, welcome back to our MS Questions. Today we are all see max tricks. Mathematics. Mathematics is not only limited to learning from textbooks. There are different learning styles that make mathematics easier. Simple max tricks help us fast calculations and improve our mathematical tricks. For example, the multiplication tricks will help students to learn max tables and fast multiplication. The mathematical tricks are not only helpful for school-going kids, but also supports you to manage time in final exams as well as in the competitive exam and solve the maths questions with accuracy. The well-known fact is that our human brain is similar to a computer. It means our brain is like the hardware of a computer, whereas our mind is like a software. Therefore, learning simple arithmetic tricks will help these students to gain their confidence and enhance problem solving skills. With these learning skills, they can achieve a big success in their upcoming future. Additional tricks with the help of basic principles of tens and unit places. The addition of two-digit number is performed by take 43 plus 34. Split this second number into tens and unit places. 34 equal to 30 plus 4. Finish it tens addition. 43 plus 30 equal to 73. Finally, add the remaining unit place digit. 73 plus 4 equal to 77. Tricks for subtraction. Here is an example that requires a lot of borrowing. Consider two numbers, say 1000 and 676. Subtract 1 from both the numbers. We get 999 and 675. Then subtract 675 from 999. We get answer 324. So 1000 minus 676 equal to answer is 324. Quick multiplication by breaking down numbers. Let's try the number 24 and 16. First split the number 24, which gives 4 into 6. Then multiply 6 with 16. We get 96. Finally multiply the number 96 into 4 equal to 384. So the multiplication of two numbers 24 into 16, that gives the solution 384. Multiply by 15. Consider the multiplication of two numbers, say 56 and 15. Now add 0 at the end of first number, it becomes 560. Divide that number by 2. We get 560 divided by 2 equal to 280. Add the resultant number with 560. So 560 plus 280 equal to 840. So the answer for 56 and 15 is 840. Multiplication of two-digit numbers. If any one of the given numbers is an even number, then follow the steps to solve. Consider an example 18 into 37. Here 18 is an even number. Then divide the first number in half, so that 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Then double the second number. 37 into 2 equal to 74. Finally multiply the resultant numbers. It becomes 74 into 9 equal to 666. Division tricks. The numbers that can be evenly divided by certain numbers, or if a number is an even number and ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divided by 2. A number is divisible by 3 means if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Consider the number 12 equal to 1 plus 3 and 3 is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 means if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Example 9312. Had the last two digits are 12 is divisible by 4. If the last digit is 0 or 5 means it is divisible by 5. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Since 6 is product of 2 and 3, if the number is divisible by 8 means the last three digits of the number are divisible by 8. If a number is divisible by 9 means the sum of the digit is divided by 9. Let us consider the example 4518 equal to 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 18, which is divisible by 9. If the final digit of the number is 0 means it is divisible by 10. Here are a few more maths tricks which are simple to remember. Multiplication by 2 and 4. Multiplication by 2 and 4 means when a number is multiplied by 2 or 4, then the last digit of the resulting value will be an even number always. Examples 19 into 2 means 38. 19 into 4 means 76. Multiplication by 5. When a number is multiplied by 5, then the resulting value will either end with 0 or 5. Examples 11 into 5 equal to 55, 8 into 5 equal to 40, 121 into 5 equal to 605. Multiplication by 10 means when a number is multiplied by 10, then the resulting value ends with 0 always. Example 5 into 10 equal to 50, 10 into 10 equal to 100, 11 into 10 equal to 110, 70 into 10 equal to 170, 211 into 10 equal to 2110. Thank you all. Thanks for watching, friends. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.